Whoa!
Have a nice holiday.
So I'm on my way to Menton. By the way, the place is still gorgeous. I hope you can see it. 80 kilometers left, going to point zero. And I just arrived in Menton, the Pearl of France. I can't tell you guys, it's pretty hot here. We'll try to have like a long shower. It's been 3 exhausting days, but really worth every single minute we spent on the road. And then I'll just go find something to eat. See you at kilometer zero.
You can see a lot of bikers behind me coming to this point. Please don't kill me. Check this. I've just arrived at kilometer zero. So that's it, 720 kilometers of the Alps, finishing here at the beautiful city of Menton. Between the French Riviera and the Italian border, Menton shimmers in shades of gold and peach. Menton is a perfect city for travelers seeking calm and a taste of French elegance with a hint of Italian charm. It's a place for slow morning, coastal walks and timeless elegance. And at the heart of it all, Mirazur, a Michelin-starred and world-renowned restaurant, one of the top restaurants on the planet. Bro, that's a road, you know? On day 5, I decided to finally slow down and enjoy the French coast. I left Menton and my plan was to reach Antibes by the end of the day. I was mostly just replaying in my head everything that I have experienced in the past days and couldn't be more grateful. So eventually the plan was to go to Antibes and find a nice camping site close to the beach to wind down for the next days. No videos, no rushing, just myself and the beautiful French coast. But first, I had to go through Monaco and Nice. I don't get it, is it red or not? Or red is not working here. You have F1s driving here we need to drive with 50 kilometers per hour. If your name is Verstappen, then you can drive 300. What if I just do the whole thing standing? After a few incidents like the ones you saw, I decided to leave Nice. I got a bit annoyed by how some drivers didn't respect motorcyclists there, so I decided to continue along the coast and headed towards Antibes. I'm now at a quest finding a camping in Antibes. I tried this one, I don't know, I didn't like it. It's mostly for camper vans and it's pretty empty. There's not much to do here, although it's close to the beach, that's why I chose it first. Let's try another one. So this location seems a bit more promising, at least there are some trees. So after having a long shower, I decided to cook one of the French key classic dishes, cassoulet. Basically, to do cassoulet you need chicken thighs, some tomato paste, dry vermouth, white beans. But I didn't do that. I just bought it from the supermarket in a can and just warmed it up. Guys, if you made it so far, then it means you probably like my content. It will really help if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.
Right now leaving the camping from in Antibes. Wait, I feel something is wrong with my tire. Is it just my brain? Maybe. Let me go there. And then I will reach Toulon. Hello, my friend. Tui. Let me check my tire. Let's go. The ride should be longer today. It should be around 5 hours even. I'm quite curious to see Cannes, Saint-Tropez too. I just want to pass and see what's the fuss about it.
I've arrived in Cannes.
Looking back on my trip to the center of Cannes, it's easy to picture the details. On the left it was a small port, busy with boats coming and going. And across me, the hill with Cannes written clearly at the top. The main square on the right felt full of life, with people gathered outside cafes and shops. And right just past the square, I remember catching glimpses of the market. It was quite lively and colorful there. It's really a moment that sums up what Cannes feels like in everyday life. Lively, but at the same time relaxed and full of a character. The road from Cannes to Saint-Tropez winds along the coast. There are many turns and hills that make riding so exciting there. Pine trees line the way and the air smells fresh. This combination of sea breeze with pine trees is something that it's still in my mind. Stone barriers follow the edge of the road. You pass small fishing ports and beaches where people swim and play there. It's really nice to observe. The houses are painted in warm colors and have these red roofs. As you ride, the flatland becomes more hilly. Old villas and easygoing cafes appear between villages and towns. The sunlight shines on the blue sea and every stop feels welcoming. Close to Saint Raphael, the World War II memorial stands with the ship US-2A2 and the flags of the US, UK and France. This spot marks where Allied troops landed in 1944. It reminded me of the courage and the start of freedom here. Imagine, like all these Allied troops traveled thousands of miles from the United States across the ocean to land on this coast and liberate South France. Just outside Saint-Tropez, vineyards cover the surrounding hills and fields. This area is part of the largest wine region in southeastern France, known especially for its fresh and elegant rosé wines. With over 20,000 hectares of vines, many estates here produce award-winning blends. The unique soil and Mediterranean climate give the wines their special character, making Saint-Tropez vineyards a true treasure of the region. Riding on a hot July day from Saint-Tropez to Toulon was tough. The sun beat down hard, making me very tired and thirsty. I was wearing shorts and soon my arms and legs were sunburned. The road wound through hills covered in pine trees, and as always, I passed small quiet beaches. I dreamed of Toulon's cool beach, grabbing something cold to drink, and finally resting after the long, hot ride. The coast stayed closed, showed hidden coves where families swam. As I pushed my motorcycle forward, the city's harbor and navy base came into the view, blending history with lively city life. The ride was hard with the heat, but knowing rest was near kept me going.